Okay, here in number 3 we need to find the value of the variables and then find the measure of each of those angles that are labeled there. Alright, so first let's talk about these two sets of parallel lines. Here is the transversal that cuts through. If you notice, we have 2y and 3y minus 35 on the parallel lines. They are called corresponding angles. So we know that corresponding angles are equal. So I'm going to go ahead and make those two measurements equal to each other, and then I'm going to solve it for y. So 2y minus 3y is a negative 1y to equal negative 35. Divide by the negative 1, so the value of y is 35. Now if I go ahead and plug it in for one of them, because they're both going to be the same, so I'm going to take the easier of the two, the 2y, plug it in, 2 times the 35. 70 degrees are each of those angles. Now I need to take a look at, let me erase this part here. Let's take a look at the other set of parallel lines. Still here and here, but now I'm looking at this transversal. So we have angles that are outside the parallel lines and are alternate, so those are alternate exterior angles. So those angles are also equal to each other. So once I make them equal to each other, I solve it for x. So I'm subtracting 3x from both sides. And I'm going to divide by 2. So my x here is 17. Now I'm going to go ahead and take it and plug it into one of those two angles because they're both going to be the same. So I'm going to take the easier one, the 5x. 5 times 17. So those angles there are 85 degrees each.